the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries, and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Please Bazaar at 7005 668657 and 98630 60336. On Saturday, the 4th of December 2021, members of the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Committee and the National Students Union of India Meghalaya chapter had met at the Congress Bhavan to make clarifications on the recent exit of many of the youth members from the Congress party. Speaking on behalf of the Youth Congress, the president of the East Khasi Hills Youth Congress, Banphira Basayo Moit, stated that the recent exit of some of the members of the particular frontal wing of the party was because of the thirst for position and status. The youth leader, while terming the Congress party as a pluralistic, secular party, also said that the Congress has not changed its ideology as alleged by those who had dissociated themselves recently from membership of the youth wing of the party in the state. He added that it is the right time for the youth to address more important issues that have affected the state for a very long time now.
We are moving in all parts of the state to make sure that more youths are enrolled. This election process is multidimensional. This is not just for the sake of enrolling members. Our first aim is to create an awareness among the youth regarding their roles in the society. The second is to make sure that they have the tenacity to work for the society. And thirdly, they work for the party, they work according to the principles of the party, and to stay strong as youth and be the future leaders that the country needed. What happened with yesterday's resignation? We can go back to the event happening the last two weeks maybe, where we've seen a number of people leaving the Congress. We've seen a number of youth leaders leaving the Congress. They are leaving the party not because the party has changed the ideology of the party. The Congress continues to be a pluralistic party. It is a secular party. It has never changed its ideology. The main reason that they leave the party because they know there is a threat to their position in the party. That is why they are creating this drama. They are creating the circus every day. And I'm sure in these coming days, they'll come up with more activities that will take up our time. We have more pressing issues, I feel. The press is the fourth pillar of the democracy, of our society, of nation building, and I know the press will decide what is best to cover.
Also addressing the media on the recent developments in the party, the General Secretary of the NSUI Meghalaya chapter, Arkin Wadri, informed that the NSUI is intact and the students' body of the Congress party in the state is ready to fight back all challenges and together overcome all kinds of tough situations faced by the party in recent times.
Bang kawan ni berkentok yano bat berkeren sniu yano mendas ni ngasuan mat pensai tang ka statement ka belami ha press bang ai ba keno suai barokhai hilak mi le hendrei kata statement ka dei ka bomde ka statement ni suan ni bat pensai ba ka NSUI kadang don but kini ki members jong yiru badalang saniang idang bun ha West Khasi Hills for Southwest Khasi Hills, but East Khasi Hills, but abun ki Jakarta. KNSUI idang don, but idang yang trade yang kakam. Hot KNSUI, la dissolve KNSUI. Ndrei mlele yang kata ngin sai reconstitute ya KNSUI, but ki members jongi ngin sa submit ki kerteng sa Delhi, but ngin sa form no la ka jong ka unit. Hot ki amba. Lada ka lim ka ngam. Kam lele lada ka ngim kalam. Ngindang yai trade Nidang yayat khmat, nidang yayat prak, mengentrai yang kami kam jongi. We will not give up so easily. Ti ya ki para samla jongaru ke ina siwai ki belami no. Makin bok ki ruang iki makin nangai tre ya kam ya kajam. Ti takut tahi but nyenangai pen thmai kini kinok ket kam hakini ki sngi ki banwan. Ki ingin saya submit no ki keteng sa Delhi tetakum tahi when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Tanggung tahi kublish pun.